At exactly 3:12 a.m., a family's doorbell rang. The father opened the doorbell camera feed and saw the porch was completely empty. He called it a glitch. But the next night, it happened again. Same time, same sound. Nobody outside. That is when this stopped feeling like a tech problem. On the third night, the scary footage finally showed a creepy visitor. Not on the porch, but standing at the edge of the yard, perfectly still. The strangest part was the body language. They were not walking, waving, or looking at the house. Just standing there, like they already knew where the camera was. After 3 seconds, the camera cut out. The possible stalker was never seen again, but the family replaced every lock the next day. If your doorbell rings at 3 a.m., would you check it?